So now I'm going to cover the studio theme. That tool is here on the Tools tab, and it's right here under the free tier. It says Studio Theme. Now, in a previous video I did on the Team Bios tool, I created a team bio that I put into this fake Wix website for my fake dance studio called Dream Dance. And real quick, I'm going to do some fixes on this. For example, I didn't notice this until later that I have a capital E on team. And since I've decided to use the HTML embed, go watch that video if you want more information. I have this back button that I don't need. This is only if you were going to use the full page, the public page version of the team bio. So I'm going to switch back real quick. I'll go to the team bios tool. I'll fix this a little E in here because we don't want that. That doesn't look good. And then since, again, I don't need the back button, I just get rid of that external URL setting. And if I click continue, coming back to my team bios page, you can see that's now fixed. I got rid of that back button because it's not needed. But now the problem is the formatting just is not quite right. So for example, we sort of have this light yellow kind of creamy background color that doesn't match the white background. I'm also using this sort of Times New Roman serif font, and I have a non-serif font. So I want to change that. And then also the highlight color here is purple, and my highlight color on the BIOS page is blue. So let's go to the Studio Theme tool and fix that. I'm back at the tools.dance website. Want to navigate to the theme. So we go to the tools page and click on Studio Theme. And then here's where we can change all of our theme to match what we want it to look like. Now, if you happen to have multiple studios, you'll first choose which studio you want to set up a theme for. So you can have a different theme for every studio. So in this case, we want to change from Arial to Times New Roman. We want our background color. I know it's FDFFFF, I believe. Oh, it's FFEF. There we go. And then for the font, we wanted to do a purplish color, A018. Wait, let's see, A0138E. There we go. There's that purpley color. And there's all these other settings that you can change if you so want to play around. Obviously, right now, this color theme doesn't look all that great, but for the purposes of this demo, you should get the idea. So I'll click Save. Then I come back to my Team BIOS page, and after a refresh, you can see it now looks much better with the appropriate colors and typeface.